That's the mesh on my seat shifting to one side. This is my Trice QNT trike. I've relaced this thing 4 or 5 times over the years, and it just keeps shifting to the left on me. I try to do this without taking the seat off. That'll save a lot of time. My roller rings, much easier on the knees, kind of oval shape. First, take that pack off. Stay tuned. Yeah, there she is. Got the seat mesh off. Took maybe all 10 minutes, if that. As you can see, this frame is still mounted to the trike. I will try to put the new seat mesh on without taking the frame off. Anything to save a little bit of time and work. Here's my old seat foam. That goes for $20 now. When I bought that, it was only $10 when I bought it. It's $20 now. And there's my old seat mesh. Anybody needs one, it's for sale. I'll post it on Bent Rider here in a little while, or maybe tomorrow. Oh, there's my bike, my Harley. And that's my 29er over there. Check out this garage. 3-car garage, and I still don't have room for everything. Junk everywhere. Even have a walk-up attic. Walk-up attic. I'll get organized one of these days. Go back to the trike. Oh, I just about forgot. It's a little dirty and looking a little dull. I think I'll wipe her down and give her a little wax job. See what she might look like after a good wipe down and wax. This baby's got about maybe 2,500 miles on it already. Can't show you on my cat-eye computer, but that keeps on going dead on me. I think I need a new battery in it. Yep, let's get to work on it. Oh, there she is. Nice and clean, waxed up. You say you can't tell? Let me show you something. These microfiber cloths, they were brand new when I started. She's as slick as a frog's butt. What my father used to say, she's as slick as a frog's butt. Nice and clean and waxed up. Use McGuire's Ultimate Quick Wax. This took me probably, I'd say about an hour, not long at all. Now the new seat mesh. And again, there's my old one. And here's my new one. Very nice indeed. Let me get out here in the light so you can see it. Got reflective things on the back there. Got these little pockets up at the top and down at the bottom, the seat area that the seat row set in. See the little pockets? Little two pockets down here, right there, and there. That's where the seat rail is set. There's no way it's going to shift. Again, like I said, I'm going to try to do this without taking the seat frame off. It'll save a lot of time. Yeah, there's the wife. She's home. That's her 2001 C320. Her mom left her when she passed back in 2005. But back to the trike. Oh, again, it's a piece of junk as far as I'm concerned. Mercedes are junk. Always something going wrong with it.
Nice car.
Yep, again, I'm going to try to do this without taking the seat frame on. Off. Stay tuned. There she is. It's not strapped down yet, but it probably took, well, how long, babe? About 10 minutes?
Yeah.
It was a little tight, especially down at the bottom here. Had to stretch it a little bit, but
A lot.
nah. Had a lot harder jobs on this. And she looks nice. There's no way that's going to shift.
Thank you.
Now get all the straps tight. I didn't even have to take the seat frame off. So if you're thinking about taking the seat frame off, you don't need to. But you can if you want the extra work. Okay, time to strap her. Yep, there she is. I did it without taking the seat frame off. Had to lay down on the floor to get the straps underneath, but with somebody helping you from the other side, it's easy. And she fits like a glove. Even has a little pocket here at the top for your wallet, keys, cell phone, or what have you. Ooh, that's a double pocket there. I didn't realize that. Yeah, that's a double pocket. Yep. Get all kinds of stuff in there. Wallet, keys, cell phone. Well, maybe not keys. Might poke to you. That's pretty thick material, so it shouldn't poke through. But that's it. She fits like a glove. There's no way it's going to shift. Looks like I need to bring in my right handlebar just a hair. I tipped it once last year, and I think that right handlebar came out on me, because my hand feels like it's closer to my right fender than my left fender. So I'm going to scoot that in a little bit, just a hair, or maybe about a 1/4 inch or so. That's my 2008 Trice QNT. The QNT stands for Quick Narrow Track. It's 30 inches wide. This will fit through any doorway. Sound like a neighbor's kids taking a fit. They must be in the swimming pool, I bet. Kind of a cool day to go swimming. That's my Trice QNT, which stands for Quick Narrow Track.
It's just like a glove again.
Yeah.
Did it 5 times.
Yeah. The end.